AI is incredible, but choosing the right tools for your clients still matters. There's no question that artificial intelligence is one of the most transformative forces in modern business. From automating repetitive workflows to generating content, analyzing data at scale, and building entirely new product experiences, AI is delivering genuine, measurable value across nearly every industry. But here's a truth that gets overlooked in the hype. A powerful AI tool is not automatically the right AI tool, especially in a market like Australia. The AI enthusiasm trap: when a new AI product drops, a new LLM, a coding agent, an automation platform, the tech community moves fast. Early adopters demo it, LinkedIn lights up, and agencies and consultants are pitching it to clients within weeks. The problem is that enthusiasm for the technology doesn't always translate to fit for the client. We've seen it repeatedly. A business invests in an AI platform that works beautifully in demo conditions, only to find that it struggles with Australian data, doesn't integrate with local compliance requirements, or simply doesn't match how their customers actually behave. The tool wasn't bad, it just wasn't the right tool for that context. Regional fit is a real consideration. Australia has genuine structural differences compared to the US or European markets, where most AI products are built and tested. Data sovereignty. Australian businesses, particularly in finance, health, and government, operate under strict obligations about where data is stored and processed. Many US-hosted AI platforms don't offer Australian data residency by default. That's not a minor footnote. For regulated industries, it's a deal breaker. Consumer behavior. Australian users have different trust thresholds. They're often more privacy conscious and slower to adopt new digital tools than US consumers. An AI-powered UX that feels seamless in San Francisco can feel intrusive or confusing to an Australian customer in Brisbane or Perth. Market scale: Australia's population is 27 million. The economics of AI tools designed for US scale markets, enterprise pricing, minimum seat counts, minimum contract values, frequently don't make sense for local SMEs or even mid-market businesses here. Local regulatory landscape: the Australian Privacy Act, ASIC regulations, and sector-specific compliance requirements shape what you can actually do with AI-generated outputs, automated decisions, and customer data. These aren't just legal technicalities, they define the boundaries of what's possible. Understanding your client's demographics before recommending anything. Good technology advisory starts with the client, not the technology, before recommending any AI solution. No matter how impressive the product is, the right questions are: who are their customers? Age, digital literacy, device preference, and trust in automation all vary significantly across demographics. AI tools that work brilliantly with tech-forward millennials may create friction for older or less digitally native users. What's their regulatory environment? A fintech, a healthcare provider, and an e-commerce brand each face fundamentally different constraints on how AI can be used. What does their existing stack look like? The best AI tool that doesn't connect cleanly to a client's existing systems creates more work than it eliminates. What outcome are they actually trying to achieve? AI is often pitched as a general solution, but clients don't need general solutions, they need specific outcomes. Matching the right tool to the right problem is still a human judgment call. The opportunity for Australian builders and advisors: here's the flip side of this challenge: it's a genuine opportunity. As more Australian businesses start exploring AI seriously, the value of an advisor or development partner who actually understands both the technology and the local market is enormous. Anyone can demo ChatGPT. Far fewer people can walk into a room with an Australian financial services firm, understand their compliance obligations, assess their customer base, and recommend an AI implementation that will actually work and hold up under scrutiny. The same applies in the blockchain and Web3 space. The enthusiasm for Solana, for tokenization, for on-chain AI agents is real and growing, but the Australian businesses succeeding in this space aren't the ones who chased every new trend. They're the ones who found specific applications that made sense for their actual customers and regulatory environment. AI is still the future. Choose it wisely. None of this is an argument against AI adoption. If anything, the opposite: businesses that engage thoughtfully with AI now will have a significant structural advantage in 3 to 5 years. But engage thoughtfully is the key phrase. It means not letting the energy of a product launch replace the rigor of proper needs analysis. It means asking whether a tool is genuinely ready for an Australian market context before committing budget and implementation time. It means building relationships with clients that are based on honest advice, not whatever product you're excited about this month. The AI tools available today are genuinely remarkable. The businesses that get the most value from them will be the ones that take the time to find the right fit for their industry, their clients, and their region. That's not a constraint on ambition. That's how you actually deliver results. Millisec is a technology studio building at the intersection of AI, blockchain, and the Australian market. Get in touch if you're exploring what AI could do for your business.